Hello, 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 friends. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. I hope you guys are having a fantastic week so far. Guys, today we're going to finish up our opinion writing because you guys should have finished your graphic organizer yesterday and posted that to Seesaw. And so now we're just going to transfer our writing from our graphic organizer into a paragraph, kind of like we did last week with Halo Ant. So you're going to need your graphic organizer, which Miss Greathouse finished hers. And then you're going to need a piece of paper. And so what I did, guys, is I tore my graphic organizer out of my writing notebook because it'll make it easier for me to write my paragraph. So then you're also going to need your pencil, so a writing utensil, which you guys should be using a pencil. And today we're just going to transfer our writing into a paragraph because you guys have already written a paragraph, you just don't know it yet. So what we're going to do is head on over here. So if you guys remember from last week, and Miss Greyhouse's will be tilted a little bit so I can make sure that I'm writing nice and neat, is we start with an indention when we're writing a paragraph. So that's what this little space is called. So normally you wouldn't have an arrow, but I'm using that to show you guys that you need to skip that space and then start afterwards. So remember, we just start with writing our first sentence that's at our O. So we're going to start with writing my favorite, and look, I have a nice finger space between my word. I have a capital letter at the beginning. So I'm going to continue with my finger spaces. My favorite ice cream is, and I'm going to skip a line today, but it's okay if you don't do that, s'more ice cream. So that's Miss Greathouse's favorite ice cream. And then we have to remember to put our period. And so remember, you can cross it out word for word, or you can cross the sentence out after you have written the entire thing, which is what Miss Greathouse likes to do. So Miss Greathouse has written her opinion. So I've stated my opinion. So what I want you guys to do is to pause the video, make your arrow for your indention, and then just copy your opinion to your paragraph part. So you're going to do that, and then you'll come on back to the video. You can go ahead and pause now. Awesome job, friends. Welcome back. You did a fantastic job. So, if you remember, to help me stay on track, I'm going to fold my O to the back so that I know where I am. So then we're just going to continue after and write our reason. So Miss Greyhouse's reason is, it tastes really good. So I'm going to have my capital I in it because it's the beginning of my sentence. I'm going to continue with my finger spaces. And I'm going to make sure that I have my period at the end. And then I'll cross it out. Okay, so you guys are going to go back to your writing and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take your reason and just add it after your opinion. So you're going to go ahead and do that, and then you'll come on back to the video when you're finished. You can go ahead and pause now. Awesome job, friends. Okay, so once again, I'm going to go ahead and fold my paper so that it helps me stay on track. And remember, I'm folding down to my E because we're on our example. So once again, I'm just going to copy it here. So I'm going to have a capital Y in U because that's the beginning of the first word of my sentence. And then I'm going to continue with my finger spaces. Let's see, you can taste all the parts of a s'more. the graham cracker. The marshmallow. And the chocolate. And then I have my period at the end. Okay, so just like that, friends, we are almost done. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you are going to write your example, just like Miss Greathouse did. And then you will come on back to the video when you're finished. So you're going to pause, write your example, and then come on back to the video. You can go ahead and pause now. Awesome job, friends. Okay, we are on the last part of our paragraph. So once again, Miss Greathouse is going to go ahead and fold. Okay. So this is where we are restating our opinion and kind of just like concluding or summing up our paragraph. So we have this as our first word, so we're going to make sure that that is capitalized, the T is. So we have this is why s'more ice cream is my favorite ice cream. So we continued with our finger spaces and we have our period at the end. So friends, all you have to do is copy your O, your final O, onto your paper, and then you are finished with your paragraph. So you're going to copy your O, your final O, onto your paper, and then you'll come on back to the video. You can go ahead and pause now. Awesome job, friends. And just like that, guys, we are finished with our paragraph. So all you have to do now is take a picture of this and post it to your seesaw. Okay, friends, so that is actually it for writing this week. Tomorrow and Thursday, we will be talking about mask wearing for when we return to the building. So we'll do a little bit of practicing mask wearing, how you wear it correctly, and then when and where you wear it, and when and where you don't have to wear it. So I hope everyone has a great Tuesday, and I will see you guys tomorrow.